come back. It wasn't you, maybe it was me. Maybe our relationship isn't as crazy as it seems. Maybe that's what happens when a tornado meets a volcano. All I know is I love you too much to walk away now. Come inside, pick up your bags off the sidewalk. Don't you hear sincerity in my voice when I talk? Told you this is my fault. Look me in the eyeball. Next time I pistol in my fist drywall. Next time there won't be no next time. I'll apologize even though I know it's lost. I'm tired of the games, I just want her back. I know I'm a liar. If she ever tries to fucking leave again, I'm entitled to the bed and set this house on fire. Just gotta stand there and watch me burn. That's alright because I like the way it hurts. Just gotta stand there and hit me. Oh my God. Oh.